Hey, my name is Jared. I'm an occupational therapist and a lymphedema therapist, and this is my review of the Ozone generator. I use this about once a month in my car. I pretty much live out of my car because I am mobile with a mobile practice. So, I do eat and I do bring different supplies and different items in my car. So I like to freshen it up about like once a month or so. It's really easy to use. Basically, you have to plug in the cord here. I have it plugged in with an extension cord that runs outside from the door of my car. It is recommended that when you use this, that you put the air conditioning on recirculate. While it's on recirculate, you turn the dial here to about 60. I'm not going to do it at the moment because it will turn it on and I'm about to use it. This is something that you do not want to inhale. It is poisonous to both humans and pets if you're in the area. After you run this for the desired time, which I run this for about an hour to about an hour and a half, after you run it, you're going to want to make sure that you open up all the doors and the trunk of the vehicle so that way it airs out for a couple hours, for at least a few hours at least. You will have a unique odor, which is normal and standard after you use this, but it does dissipate the longer that the doors and the windows are open and over the next day or so. After I use this device, I will also use a neutral smelling fabric freshener as well to help freshen up the car. But I really enjoy using this device to help keep my my new car clean and smelling nice.